Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure your PC isn't the bottleneck. Check RAM, CPU, and GPU usage and free at least 4 GB before you try again. Once done, exit overlays like Discord and GeForce Experience because they commonly inject hooks that freeze the renderer. Next, quit Riot Vanguard and relaunch the Riot client as administrator. This forces permissions and can trigger the built-in repair tool. Do this now to eliminate simple permission and conflict causes before digging deeper. You should verify the integrity of Valorant's files because corrupted assets often cause hangs mid-load. Run the client repair and let it finish. While that runs, update your GPU drivers and Windows to the latest stable versions since driver mismatches cause freezes. Make sure you disable in-game overlays and try switching display modes. Borderless versus full screen can change how the GPU hands off frames. Also reduce texture and shadow settings to lower RAM pressure, which prevents freezing when memory spikes. If the previous steps fail, do a clean boot to remove software conflicts, and then fully uninstall Valorant and Riot Vanguard. Reboot and reinstall both. You should also test the game on another machine or a different account to determine whether the problem is hardware, software, or account-specific. If it still freezes, collect the client logs and use the Riot Error Reporter. This single troubleshooting tip speeds up support diagnosis and increases the chance you'll get a targeted fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.